Hello everybody. This autumn, Katrina Ann and her brother Harry did a bucket list of activities. They are planning to share these with you all. Enjoy the video.
We're gonna kick off the season by recycling a pair of rain boots. I'll guide you to make a flower pot out of rain boots. This is a simple and fun activity. To make a flower pot out of rain boots, you would need a pair of rain boots, a pair of gardening gloves, and soil and plants. Let's get started. Fill half the boot with soil and make a hole in the middle. Grab the plant and remove the plastic pot. Then place the roots in the hole. Gently add more soil around the plant. Cover with soil to the brim. This is the end result. Spray with a spray bottle once a week. I love them. It's your turn now. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe.